Hello everyone, and welcome to a very special episode of Working Title Models. I'm Tom, and today we're celebrating something we've been talking about, planning, and working towards for quite a while. The official grand opening of Working Title Models. Now, if you've watched the channel before, you know I love building models, talking about models, buying models, organizing models, and occasionally wondering where all of my money went after buying more models. Well, now I found a way to make the hobby even more dangerous. I opened a hobby store. What could possibly go wrong? Actually, we're incredibly excited because Working Title Models isn't just another online hobby shop. It's the result of a lifelong dream built around the hobbies we love and the people who enjoy them. But before we talk about the store, let me introduce the real boss of the operation. This is my wife, Deborah.
Hi, everyone.
We've been married for over 30 years, and while I've spent most of my life building plastic models, Deborah has always loved hobbies and crafts of every kind imaginable. If it involves creativity, making something by hand, or buying enough supplies to fill a room, she's probably interested. Beading, sewing, painting, resin crafts, home decor projects, and approximately 47 other hobbies I can't even pronounce correctly.
Exaggeration.
Meanwhile, I've been building scale models since I was about 5 years old. So naturally, we decided the logical retirement plan was not golf, not cruises, not relaxing, but opening a hobby business, because apparently we weren't busy enough. For those who don't know, I recently retired after a 30-year career as a technical designer in the aerospace industry. For years, I told people that someday I'd have more time for models. Well, someday finally arrived. And with that came the opportunity to build something new. Working Title Models started with a simple idea. Create the kind of hobby store we always wished existed. A place where hobbyists can find quality kits, tools, paints, books, accessories, and advice from people who actually use the products. Imagine that, a hobby store run by hobby people. Revolutionary concept, I know. What makes us different? One thing you'll notice about Working Title Models is that we're focused on customer service. When you contact us, you're not talking to a giant corporation. You're talking to real people. Usually me. Sometimes Deborah.
Sometimes.
Always someone who understands the hobby and wants to help. We want to help fellow hobbyists find what they need and enjoy the hobby as much as we do. Whether you're building armor, aircraft, ships, science fiction kits, figures, cars, or simply collecting reference books, we're working hard to bring quality products to the hobby community.
And there might be a few crafty, sewy things thrown in periodically.
The YouTube connection. The store and the YouTube channel go hand in hand. We'll continue creating kit reviews, build videos, tool demonstrations, museum tours, model show coverage, and plenty of tips and tricks we've learned over the years. Some of them from successes, many of them from mistakes, because if there's a way to glue your fingers together, spill paint, lose a photo etch part, or launch a tiny piece into another dimension, I've probably done it. More than once. Usually while looking directly at it. Before we wrap up, we want to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who has watched a video, left a comment, subscribed to the channel, shared advice, or simply encouraged us along the way. This hobby has introduced us to some wonderful people, and we're excited to continue that journey together.
Yep.
Opening Working Title Models is a big step for us, and we're grateful you're here to be part of it. If you'd like to support the channel and the new store, please visit Working Title Models online. Browse the products, check the latest videos, and let us know what you'd like to see us carry in the future. We're always looking for ways to improve and serve the hobby community. I'm Tom.
This is Deborah.
And from all of us at Working Title Models, thank you for joining us for our grand opening. Now let's build something. And remember, we're not just building models, we're bringing them to life. Bye!
See you soon.